Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function oct. Hi Python learners, today we're exploring the oct function, a built-in Python tool for converting numbers to their octal representation. By the end of this video, you'll know what oct does, when to use it, and how it can simplify working with octal numbers in Python. Let's get started. What is oct? It's a built-in Python function that converts an integer into its octal representation as a string. Here's the syntax. The argument x is an integer that you want to convert to octal. The result is a string that represents the number in base 8, prefixed with 0, O, to indicate octal format. So why use oct? It's designed for converting numbers into octal, which is useful in low-level programming tasks such as working with file permissions in Unix systems, interpreting data in base 8 when required by certain applications, and simplifying conversions between numeric bases. Some key concepts. The 0O prefix identifies octal numbers in Python. The oct function only works with integers. If you pass a float or other type, you'll get a type error. So you'd use oct when you're converting integers into octal format for display or further processing, when you're working with systems or applications that require octal data, or perhaps when you're debugging or interpreting octal data in low-level or hardware-specific programming. Let's start with a basic example of converting a decimal number to octal. Here, oct converts the decimal number 8 into its octal representation 0010. Oct also works with negative numbers, preserving the sign. In this case, -64 is converted to the octal string -00100. In Unix-like systems, file permissions are often represented in octal. Let's create an example. Here, the octal number 00755 represents typical file permissions in a Unix system, and oct ensures it's displayed in octal format. You can use oct in loops to display a range of numbers in octal format. In this example, oct converts each number in the range to its octal equivalent, which is displayed alongside the decimal value. Here are some important points about the oct function. The result is always a string prefixed with 0O to indicate octal format. It only works with integers. Passing a float or string raises a type error. And use it alongside other base conversion functions like bin and hex for working with different numeric systems. And that's the oct function. To recap, it converts integers into their octal representation as a string. It's great for low-level programming, file permissions, and base conversions. And it's an essential tool when working with octal data in Python. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!